Hey guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'll be showing you how to breed a sheep. It is so easy. Okay, you're going to want to find sheep. Oh, not you, baby sheep. We can't breed you. So there's two sheep. You need wheat. You can steal from a village or you can grow your own crops. So what you're going to want to do is find two sheep. Just feed them there. And then also, if there is a sheep, you can dye their wool. Okay, so what if we did something like, well, we need new sheep. What if we did pink, purple, and then this? What would happen? What color would the baby be? The baby would be purple, because I guess it's a stronger color. Next thing we're going to try is blue, pink. They grew up. He grew up. Oh wait, you grew up. Stop trying to confuse me, baby sheep. Oh my god, your parents are so greedy. Go. And let's see what color the baby will be. The baby was blue! I thought he'd be purple or something. But the color never changes. It's either the mom or the dad's color. Sometimes they even mix the colors. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys I hope I helped you guys. Because when I figured out how to dye sheep color and when I figured out how to breed a bunch of them, it was amazing for me. Well, bye guys!